Today on Adobe Bloom Graphics, I'm going to be teaching you 8 quick tips on how to work Adobe Dimension. On the right hand side of your screen, you're going to have the properties panel. Depending on when you're clicking, either the object, the material, you're going to have different things that you can help make your product better. So say in this case, when you hit the object and then try to change the material, it's going to show the opacity, the roughness, the metallic, and it actually shows a little animation on what's happening with each type of change you're doing. This also happens when you click on the environment. You can see the global intensity, the global rotation, and it shows you again the animation. The toolbar on the left hand side is divided by its many uses. The first part is to select the model. The second spots are to select the materials. When selecting the material controls, you can actually use the wand tool to select a specific area of the model to apply different materials. The third divided area controls the cameras, angles, the orbiting tool, and then the fourth divided area actually controls the canvas, as in zooming in and moving around on the canvas. If for some reason you end up zooming into your model or a specific place in your canvas and you're not sure how to quickly get out of that situation, you can actually just press your F control key on your keyboard and it's going to take you back to the canvas, make the model fit into the screen. Changing the color of your material is actually pretty easy as well. Once you click on the product or model, it should take you to the material, and after that you can just go on to base color and just scroll around on the color side and change to different tones or hues of the color you want. Adding an image to your product or model is actually pretty easy as well. You can just go on the image side of that same base model and just import any JPEG, PNG from your computer and it'll add it directly to the image. Now when you insert your image onto your model or product, it might be a little bit oversized if you use the fill option, and when that happens you're going to get this offset and repeat selections you can do. If you repeat, it's going to repeat that same image multiple times, either on the x-axis or the y-axis, wherever you change it to, and after that you're going to be able to use the offset to move the image to the specific position you want. You can also use the constrain proportions link to keep everything the same as you repeat the image. This will help you keep the proportions of the image you want while repeating it multiple times. And now that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.